About staying in the game, we did that. We got the 1 goal back and we kept going into the end. So, like I said, it's better to take 1 point than no points.
What was the feeling like throughout the game when you realised that the fans were still on supporting you guys despite losing the 2 goals down? What was that feeling?
Yeah, it's a good feeling. Obviously, it's important. The fans give us a boost, and when I want to get behind us, it helps the team. And I think you can see today, when you go 2 goals down, it's difficult sometimes to come back. But I think us as players on the pitch, the players on the bench as well, and the fans, we all stuck together, and it paid off.
The penalty, a big show from the crowd. I am 100% sure that 3/4 person in the stands would have known what happened, but they were with the team shouting, getting that penalty. Do you think that the fans played a huge impact with the team coming back and also getting that specific penalty?
Yeah, the fans, like I said, if they're onside, they're always going to help us and give us a boost. But I want to give credit to the boys on the pitch. Like I said, it's difficult being 2 goals down to a team, that make it difficult like that. But we all stuck together, and like I said, we got the point in the end. Not what we wanted. We want to come and win these games, especially at home. But we'll take the point.
A fight back like this, does it get the team bond a bit closer now?
Yeah, we have to sit together. It's not always going to be easy. Like I said, we know we're a good, strong team, and teams will fear us. But this is football. Sometimes you end up behind, and it's about having that character and sticking together, and we've shown that we have that character today.
Alright, at half-time, going in 2-0 down, I'm pretty sure we didn't expect that, as a team or as the fan base. What was the conversation between the players going in at half-time?
There's no negativity, You can't take back time, so the situation is what it is, and it's down to us to change it and try and fix the situation. And we went out with a better mentality. I think we was on the front foot more. And I think I think we could have won the game, to be honest. The keeper made a big save, and we had a few other chances. But half time we just said we need to stick together and be positive and keep pushing, and we got the 2 goals.
We saw you come off. We're used to you playing 90 minutes for Jamaica. What happened? Is there some lingering injury?
Slight pain, but nothing serious. But for me, these 2 games have been my first 2 games of the season, so I'm kind of getting back into my motion and rhythm. So my body was feeling it a bit after the first game, and I did what I can do to make sure I was as fresh as possible for this game. And I had an impact on the first goal, which I was happy with, and to play as long as I did, I was happy with, to be honest. But we've got a strong team and lots of attackers, so whether it's me, Whisper, Leon, whoever comes off the bench, we've got to make a difference, and Romario did that, won the penalty. So it shows, we've got good depth in the team.
Alright, finally, we see that you're really including yourself in the culture of Jamaica. We see you kiss the badge last game, and this is the second competition with us. How do you feel about Jamaica?
Yeah, proud. I'm just proud to represent the country, and it's first time back here playing in front of the fans on home turf. So it's been good. Would have been better if we won today, but like I said, the whole experience has been good being back here, and like I said, just representing the country. It's a proud thing for me to do, and like I said, we've got a long future ahead.
Alright, Demarai, thank you.
How can you keep this going? Almost every match you have been producing, and tell me how the 2 games have helped you with your conditioning going into Saudi Arabia.
Yeah, the 2 games have been important for me. It's kind of like pre-season in a way. But it's been good. It's been difficult with the heat and stuff, and the pitch is difficult to play on. But it's been good for me, and my goal is to try and keep up the form for as long as possible. Try and produce as much as I can. Might not happen every game, which is normal, but it's just down to me to try and help the team as much as possible.
Final question, Demarai. Demarai, Arsenal fans will be glad that you left Everton, especially we always, you get the odd goal against us. But why did you move like Saudi? Do you think it's the right time being 27-year-olds? You don't think that you had more to offer to English Premier League? Why did you choose to leave and go to Saudi?
Yeah, I think it was a perfect time. I think what Saudi are building is massive, and the career is short, so you have to look ahead as well. I played many years in the Premier League. I won the Premier League with Leicester as well, so it's one of them ones where you stay at home, close to your family, or you try something new, and you have one career. So I thought, at this age, probably a good time for me to go. you never know if I'll come back to England one day or where I'll end up. But yeah, I think you can only focus on now whilst I'm fit and in good condition. And yeah, I'm looking forward to this new adventure.